is Fabian. I'm from Austria. We are at the MyRevolution event today. Today my group and I prepared 3 important themes for your future and how to solve them. And here they are.
Hello, my name is Caner. I'm 26 years old.
And my name is Michelangelo. I'm 15 years old.
And today we're gonna talk about the climate change because it's like the most important thing lately in our Earth. Because like lately all we saw is like the air is getting dirty, the seas and oceans are like rising up, and then in 80 years, if we're not doing anything about like climate change, we're getting out of sources and like water and like air. It's gonna be like that, all of the population. So we have to do something for that. So
to the climate change are many options to reduce the environment impact. For example, use energy wisely or use public transport like a bus instead of personal car. Or another option is using renewable reserves.
Hello, my name is Alexandra.
And my name is Yasin.
The first question is, what do you think about racism?
I think it's not right that someone like you or someone else is discriminated because of the look or the color of the skin. What is about you?
I think it's unnecessary because all people had the right to live where they want.
Hi, I'm Asia, I'm 18, I'm from Bologna, Italy, and I would like to introduce a discourse about LGBTQ+ rights.
Hello, my name is Sofia, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Italy. Today we want the possibility for all queer people to adopt, because the love you feel for your child is universal and common to all types of family, and to get married, because human rights should be guaranteed to everyone indiscriminately. We need to work as a society on reject the cultural and the social queerphobic heteronormative culture, and our demands also include sanction for discrimination and state intervention for people that are abandoned by their families or discriminated in the workplace.
If we as a society don't act to prevent and fight the issues that LGBTQ+ individuals face, queer people all over the world will suffer of some form of discrimination caused by who they are. From risking their lives and freedom, sometimes even the ones of the people that are close to them, and society as a whole will have to face the consequences of people being assaulted, bullied, kicked out or unemployed for something as simple and humanly essential as their identity. Happy Pride!
Ce la faccio? No, ce la faccio. Borders, barriers. Ecco, grazie.
I want to abolish borders, barriers.
Ok.
Is to
The first question is, what do you think about racism?
I think it's not right that someone just because of the look or the skin color discriminate you. What about you?
I think it's wie sprechen wir das aus?
Yeah.
Because they don't have enough education.
Action.
And we need to work.
Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella 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 bella.